One of the most important learning I have ever got in my life when I was a small kid, and based out of Kanpur, and I was actually singing a song when my father actually gave me this lesson. I was roaming around in the house and I was singing that very popular Hindi Bollywood song, and that is called "Hai Zindagi Gale Laga Le." And there is a time when my father once stopped me and said कि बेटा हिंदी में बोला उन्होंने कि ज़िंदगी को गले लगाने के पहले आपको सबसे पहले ये सीखना है कि आपको खुद ज़िंदगी को गले लगाना है. So the moment we start, loving what you call as that life, and that one particular point has actually hit to my mind, got into what you call that deep thought, that let's start loving the life, and the journey how that has started. My name is Amit Pandey, and I'm basically from Kanpur. What you call is the childhood memories, more like a street boy, pure Deshi boys. Till now, not at all so-called the convent educated. Till my engineering college, I was not able to speak what you call as the English. And one of the very hilarious incident happened in my college when I went to on my first year, and I was supposed to give my introduction in the orientation program. I was supposed to say my name is Amit Pandey and I'm from Kanpur. My branch is first year BTech Pen Technology. I was so nervous at that moment of time. I started and saying, "Hello, my name is Kanpur and I'm from Amit Pandey." So that is what has happened, and I got like literally, all these boys and people over there of the engineering colleges, they started, teasing you, bullying you, started saying, "Oh, Kanpur, pure 4 saal hamare saath padhega kya?" All these things happened, and that is the time when I got a lot of nervousness. Went out and went outside the auditorium. I actually cried like hell, and then I decided that जिस स्टेज पे आज तुम्हारी इतनी बेइज्जती हुई है एक दिन उसी कॉलेज के स्टेज पे तू आग लगाएगा. अब the entire history of HBTU 100 years, there are more than I think 500,000 alumni. At the moment they did the TEDx last year, the first alumni they called to the person who was actually not able to speak at that moment of time in English to come and deliver the TEDx in HBTU Kanpur. The reason why I'm telling you all this is that you see how the journey has started. I never wanted to become an engineer, and just by chance I became an engineer. I actually wanted to become an actor, a singer, a modeling and everything, a cricketer. I've tried everything and somehow just got failed. And then finally landed into so-called the corporate world. From day one of my corporate world till now, I'm still a professional working. So I'm working professional. And in this entire journey, what I have discovered that the growth and everything, whatever I have got, I have just tried to summarize in 21 meaningful powers which has changed my life, and might be few of the powers will help you to change your life. So to start this entire presentation of 7 actually meaningful powers which are going to transform your life. To start with that, let me just tell you the power first. This is the most important power what I have actually started practicing, and that is called the power of gratitude. Most of the time, I think we all forget that we were the lucky one who has taken the birth as a human being. There are 8.2 billion people in the world. There are 86 million kind of species, across the globe. But we were so lucky that we have taken the birth as a human being. So the first thing what we have to feel gratitude, and that is called that we have taken the birth as a human being. Second thing, which is most important thing, that we are still alive, up and running. Always we just take it for granted that we are alive and up and running, right? These are the two most important gratitude what we all have to start feeling. And then comes the entire journey, how many people we meet, how many situations we go through, what are the journey what we calculate in the path. All these things, the more and more you have the power of gratitude, and there is a formula that gratitude is inversely proportionate to anxiety. So all the people who are actually suffering from so-called the anxiety or overthinking, start building gratitude. Learn and start giving thank you to whatever the universe has given. Be it our parents, be it our family, be it our friends, college, universities, and then the working profession. Whatever the company you are working or whatever the business you are doing. The second most important thing is called power of charge. This is one of the most important thing what I have accepted in my life. and it's called power of chance. A lot of people, when they start doing their journey, they believe that my entire journey is happening based on power of choice. While there is a very powerful thing is called power of chance. The model works like things happening as per your choice is good, but things not happening as per your choice is even better. मन का हो तो अच्छा, ना हो तो उससे ज़्यादा अच्छा. श्री हरबंश राय बच्चन जी की ये दो लाइनें हैं. The reason why we have to understand that the power of chance, things coming to your life, unexpected things, that means those things are coming by the choice of divine forces. So if I have to ask all of you a question, how did we got our parents, by chance or by choice? By chance or by choice? Oh, somebody said by choice. Okay, we went to the Greater Noida market, found 3-4 couples. Okay, ये वाले अच्छे हैं. Right, we got our parents by chance. तो हिंदी में कहते हैं कि दुनिया की सबसे खूबसूरत गिफ्ट हमारे पेरेंट्स हमको बाई चांस मिल सकते हैं. तो माशाअल्लाह आने वाले टाइम पे जो भी चीज़ें बाई चांस मिलेंगी वो खूबसूरत ही होंगी. That's how we have to start accepting all the things which are coming by chance in our life. And the moment we see that things coming by chance in our life, we have to get into the next power, and that power is called power of 3 A's. The first A is accept. Accept whatever comes in our life as it is, without changing, without judging, without modifying, without manipulating. Accept as it is. The moment we accept, we have to acknowledge. And after acknowledge, appreciate. More and more we appreciate whatever we get in life, we actually start getting more and more things. This is more like a very powerful theory is called that water glass theory. When you go to anybody's home, you will see the person will offer you pani ka glass, right? They give you water, right? The moment you see that pani ka glass and you just face like, oh, very difficult phase and very toxic phase, and you just drink the water without accepting, without acknowledging, and without appreciating. और खाली गिलास आप साइड में रख दीजिए, सामने वाला आपसे कुछ नहीं बोलेगा. Change the scenario. The moment you went to somebody's house and somebody is offering you a glass of water, what you will do? You accept it, say thank you with gratitude, share some smile on the face, drink the water, feel the water, and say thank you. What the other person will say? और चाहिए? This is how the entire universe has designed. This is how the divine forces has created this model. That more you accept, acknowledge, and appreciate what the positive things you have got in your life, ऊपर वाला खुद ज़मीन पर आकर के बोलता है और चाहिए. That's how the model works as far as the 3 A's are concerned. Now coming back to the power 4, this is really, really amazing. Anything which is not growing is actually not, leading to some stage. So keep growing. Growth mindset is something which is basically the choice of the human being. Most of the time, so if I have to tell you myself, I used to be a very lazy guy. मुझे वो शेर बड़ा अच्छा लगता था कि किस किस पे हंसे, किस किस पे रोएं, आराम बड़ी चीज है, मुंह ढक के सोएं. I used to enjoy that, be on the bed, don't go to the office, don't go to the college, just chill, relax, those are the fine. That is where the phase, what we call is that we all have a tendency of loving our comfort zone. If you see, comfort zone has a very powerful magnetism. The moment you start coming out of the comfort zone, it comes as a part of the fear zone. So this is how we have to see that how this entire comfort zone, the moment you go to the second zone, that is called the fear zone. Comfort zone is something where you feel safe, secure, relaxed, why to do, what to do. Any task you are supposed to do, your brain gives a signal, kya fayda karke, ghar pe baitho, aaram karo. All these things happen. The moment you come out of the comfort zone, you meet the fear zone. Most of the people come back to the comfort zone because they are not able to handle that fear zone. And the people who come out of the fear zone, they go to the learning zone. And after the learning zone, the exact thing what happens, and that is called the growth zone. The difference between learning zone and having a lot of knowledge, ज्ञान सब जगह बट रहा है दोस्तों, पर जो जहन में समा जाए उसी को शिक्षा कहते हैं. Learning is शिक्षा, knowledge is ज्ञान. So more and more we actually keep learning things. Because when the learning goes inside, it actually shakes all the wiring of a human body to do something really, really extraordinary. And the moment you come out of the learning zone, you keep learning, go to the growth zone, keep learning, go to the growth zone, and then somehow you actually see the magic is happening. This magical zone is somewhere here, and people love to stay in their comfort zone. That's why growth mindset is the most powerful mindset. Another thing what we all have to understand that most of the time we start feeling that my present, who am I, am actually the result of my past. A lot of people talk about this, that today what I am as a result of my past. So let me tell all of you how I have designed this entire model and changed my brain, that my present is not the result of my past. My present is not the result of my past. My present is the preparation of my future. My present is the preparation of my future. एंड सच बता रहा हूँ, हिंदी में बोलते हैं लाजवाब मजा आता है कि मेरा आज बीते हुए कल का अंजाम नहीं है दोस्तों, मेरा आज आने वाले कल की तैयारी है. So the moment you start building that today you are preparing for tomorrow, then more the growth mindset start working. The next one is, the fifth one is called the power of free flow. This is the most important thing what I have learned, and I would definitely want all of you to practice it. Just go with the flow. You feel it, just do it. Do not give signal to your brain. Because the moment you feel it and you give the signal to your brain, brain will make a checkbox. Do it or not do it. Should I do it? Should I don't do it? If I have to do it, how to do it? Whether I say these words, you want to meet a person, go, say hello, no problem. You want to get into a job, just go, do it. Just do it. The most powerful word in just do it is not do it. It's just. Because do it is something you have to do, but just means how quickly you take the decision based on your instinct. In one of the interviews, Jeff Bezos has said of Amazon that he has taken a lot of decisions based on instinct. You felt it, you did it. It's more like a gut feeling. Man kiya, kar diya, bilkul bina soche. That's how one has to start feeling that. These are the people who are free flow people, go with the flow people. They do not suffer with any of the problems. They do not have anxiety, overthinking, irritation, anger, frustration, depression, boring, tiring. These are not the problem what these people face. So this is a very powerful tool that you go with the instinct, go with the free flow. Just do it. And the sixth one is amazing thing. What I have learned in my life, obviously I'll give a lot of credit to my father for that, because he has actually taught me, that the power of love. We have to love people whomsoever we meet in our life. Just start imagining that most importantly, out of 8.2 billion people, there will be around average 7 people who will one moment of time will be very close to you. That means the God has selected one person for you out of 1 billion. So that God has already selected for you at that moment of time. People while working together with you. People you meet, people you interact, be it at the workplace, be it the college, be it the family, be it the society. Just start loving everybody. The power of love. The people, you will see that those people who get angry very fast, who get irritation very fast, please उनके blood test कराइए, उनके अंदर vitamin love की कमी पाई जाएगी. The moment you have more love inside you, you are loving people, people are loving you, you will have more composed mind, you will have more joyful nature. And the seventh one I am not going to tell, I'll just keep it at the last, because a lot of you might be thinking, okay, all these are like good things, very good, sounds really good, but what do you achieve if you do that? Let's see, what is the achievement, what has happened in my life. I started my career as a GT, and to see the growth mindset, I have got 18 promotions. 18 promotions what I have got, starting from executive to become the CEO, and now CEO and the board of director. This is what the growth mindset what I have built. I have learned every stage for the future skills required. Started with the production, went to the purchasing, supply chain, operations, logistics, went to the HR, became the group CHRO, learned finance for 8 months, and then became the chief operating officer, handling the P&L, and then became the CEO, learning business development, sales, and marketing. So this is how when we start preparing for the future, we keep growing. And after that, although in this entire journey, something has been built is called winning attitude. Although I have participated more than 500 award categories, or I have got 116 times, so I started loving what you call the failure process. So 116 awards in India, Singapore, and London in different fields. Apart from that, I have been recognized as a global brand ambassador for Procurement League, United States of America. They have 5 global brand ambassadors, 2 from USA, 2 from Romania, and 1 from India. Apart from that, of course, 8 times TEDx, I am so honored, so humble to be on this red dot again on the 9th time. And this is where the power of happiness, what I wanted to tell, is the number 7. The most amazing thing. If, if you are not happy, you cannot achieve anything. So in this entire process, you have to understand that you have to be happy. And happiness is not the pleasure. Normally, people get confused with pleasure with happiness. Takers gets pleasure and givers gets happiness. So a lot of people who call me called happy CEO, they ask me that, how do you become like happy CEO? I said, you just become giver. Start thinking more about giving it back to the society, giving it back to the people, whatever the way you can do. And that is what I have started the moment in 2013 when I became the group CHRO of Tikona. A lot of colleges, universities started calling me. And what I have done till now, more than 500 sessions without even charging a single rupee from any college, any corporate, any university. This is my way of giving it back to the society. And that is how, ladies and gentlemen, please try to be happy all the time. और कभी कभी आप देखो कि जितने लोग बड़े हो जाते हैं तो खुशी थोड़ी दूर चली जाती है. You might have seen that people when they grow they stop laughing. Like when I go to the corporate world, crack a joke, nobody laugh. Then I have to tell them, sir joke था, तब उनको हंसी आती है. Right? When you go to the school, when you go to the college, students keep laughing. So इसका बहुत सिंपल फंडामेंटल है कि बचपन की हंसी बड़े होते होते पता नहीं कहाँ लुप्त हो गई. बचपन की हंसी बड़े होते होते पता नहीं कहाँ लुप्त हो गई. न जाने कौन है कमबख्त वो लोग जो कहते हैं कि हम मैच्योर हो गए. थैंक यू सो मच लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन फॉर गिविंग मी द अपॉर्चुनिटी. थैंक यू.